Hello care queens, welcome back for another video. Today's video is super fun because I am taking you guys along with me for my maintenance routine where I do my nails, my hair, my makeup, and essentially this video is about everything I do at the beginning of my week, either every week or bi-weekly, so that I can look good for you guys when I film and when I take photos, and honestly just because I want to look good and be that bitch anyways. So you guys are gonna see me going from looking like a toad to looking like Rihanna in 2010, honey. Yes, ma'am. I go to the best of the best nail artist and hairdresser of all time. I don't know, I know I'm being biased, but I just feel like my people are my people, okay? And they ain't going nowhere. So it's Monday morning and we are going to get our nails done. This is how my hair looks in the morning. Okay, we know it's a problem. First thing that I do every day to make myself feel beautiful is I drink water.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean no disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I. See you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. When I know you're good, just wanna be
Outfit of the day. Hello. We are doing comfy casual. This is how I like to do. I still can't believe that I slicked my hair into a bun this thin. Sometimes I'm like, how does my hair look like that? Because literally when I tell you my hair is so freaking big, how? Oh, I messed it up. All right, we're off to the nail appointment. I will see you guys there. Woo!
I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, are gorgeous. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I'm golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so you're the type
hair's still looking tragic. So we are actually heading to Tasha's studio right now. Her hair studio is about 30 minutes away from my home. So I have to get in the car early, get this hair done. And what's funny is I actually wasn't gonna be doing this gorgeous red. I was gonna be doing black, yes. And then she ended up having a red wig that I could do because somebody was supposed to have it, but then they didn't have it. So now it's mine. Yes, I'm so excited. This Riri red is giving me life, honey. I can't wait to slay these pictures on the gram this week. And I know you guys are gonna go crazy over this hair. So you guys are gonna see Tasha in her element. She is the most humble, amazing hairstylist of all time. When I tell you her skills are unmatched, they are unmatched. And if you guys want to take one of her classes and you live in New Jersey or New York, she has them linked on her website, and I will leave the link down below so you guys can, take a class with her. This is just me shouting her out because I love her that much, and I really feel like y'all should really get your wig game up if you guys know how to do them and you want a little help. She does have classes.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean to disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I. See you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. And I would love you good. Just wanna be imagining your pleasure, baby. Next time I see you, I'm gonna walk right up to you and say what's on my mind. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. Wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me.
Okay, so what do y'all think of my Riri red? It's kind of pink, it's kind of red. At first I was feeling like Lava Girl vibes, but then I was feeling like, okay, wait, now this is 2010 Riri right here. I'm gonna give y'all a close-up shot so you can really see the hair in its action, and then we're gonna move on to makeup. Check this out. The lace is melted in, ooh, hold on, honey. The lace is melted into my scalp. This is HD lace. Yes, it was a platinum blonde wig that got dyed pink, then red. So it has pink undertones, but it is red. It melts. Like in person, guys, you guys can't really tell on the camera, but in person, this is melted into my skin. Don't even try to tell me this is not my hair, because it's my hair. It's growing out of my scalp. Thank you. Goodbye. Okay, so we are moving on to makeup. So I think I look crazy without makeup on when I do colored wigs. I just don't look good. And you guys already know I love sculpting the jaw. I love making myself look real good because listen, I have a little bit of a little flabby flab under here. Y'all probably saw it in the previous clips. Yes, it was bad, it was tragic. But when I, do my contour routine, I do my makeup routine, which really ties in every look that I ever do for my maintenance, it makes me feel like a freaking Barbie. So you guys are gonna see me get ready. I actually decided to do like a simple. This is my simple look, I know. A simple look. It's not like super simple, but it is simple to me. Okay, so I wanna walk you guys through the tutorial because I just think it will be easier for you guys to understand how I do it and how I sculpt my face, because you guys are gonna see, like, I go from having a pretty round, unsculpted, natural face, because I don't have any fillers or anything like that, to having a pretty sculpted face, sculpted lips, and I just feel more confident when my face looks a little bit thinner and just less round. So I always start off with kind of plucking my brows and then, applying oil to my face and then setting, my eyes with a concealer just to kind of get it, ready for eyeshadow. And I use the same eyeshadow palette almost every single day. It's the Morphe 3503 palette. Honestly, guys, like, you don't need another palette if you buy this palette. I'm not really somebody who really buys a lot of eyeshadow palettes anymore. I used to buy millions of eyeshadow palettes all the flippin' time, but I realized, what is the point of that? I only use one. So this one right here has been my favorite for quite some time now, and I've just been, loving the hell out of it. So I'm kind of going for a bronzy look. I started off putting shimmer shadow on my lid, but towards the end, I'm going to just kind of fix that and make it look a little bit more matte. And this is just kind of my go-to look when I'm not trying to go crazy with my makeup, because I want the hair to stand out, but I still want my face to look beautiful and just polished. I went a little heavy with the wing eyeliner there. I know. It looks a little crazy, but I end up cleaning it up and it's not as long. I don't know why I do that, guys. I get super wing happy and I go a little too crazy with that thing. I don't know why, I just do. But yeah, I cleaned it up. This right here is my favorite part of my makeup routine, because this is when I start to see my face develop into a sculpted queen, a princess, okay. And of course I do my lips as well, because guys, I don't have lip fillers, so this is my way of having lip fillers. And I use the Hourglass Vanish Stick foundations, if you guys were wondering. They are the bomb. I don't need another foundation because of how great these are. And I blend them in with just a brush from MAC with a little bit of oil on it, which actually I didn't put oil on it today because I always put oil on it, so I didn't feel like I needed to. And then I blend the lighter part in with a beauty blender. And I really do love these sticks because you can build them up. It's buildable coverage. You can go from medium to, full coverage. And I always do full coverage because that's just the type of bitch I am, and yeah. So of course I do my nose as well. And yeah, I don't play with my nose contour. It's my favorite thing ever. And then because I'm crazy, I love to go in with a concealer. This one is the, I believe, Estee Lauder concealer. It dries down super, super, super fast, so you have to be careful. And I blend it in right away, and I notice immediately, my under eyes look freaking snatched. That is why I freaking love this concealer. It just snatches me, in all places, okay. We always, set with Laura Mercier powder. I'm always between that or the Beauty Bakery one. I never know which one I like better. And while I'm setting, I just kind of sculpt my face a little bit more with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit, and I think medium dark or tan deep, something like that. And then I use, I think the chocolate bronzer from Too Faced. I use these products every day, guys. I almost forget the names of them. They're just my go-to products. I don't really mess around with makeup too much anymore. I do what works, and that's what I think just is the best. So if you guys are looking for a new makeup routine that you want to start working for you, maybe try mine out. And you guys already know I like to catfish y'all with these brows. I don't play. So I always use the Benefit Precisely brow pencil. It's the only brow pencil I will ever use. I believe I will never try another one again. But obviously, a girl can change her mind. But for right now, no, this is my brow pencil. I don't play. It just makes the most gorgeous hair strokes. It just looks real. And I always use mascara from the Sephora checkout area. They always have, when you have rewards points, you can pick up something. I just pick up mascara. So I don't remember the last time I even bought mascara with my own money. I don't. Okay, I get it from the checkout. I always put House of Lashes on in Iconics. There's way too much glue there, but I'm kind of happy because then they didn't fall off that day. So yeah, the glue will dry down, guys. Just let me live. I use the KKW Beauty lip liner. It's the dark brown color. I forget. I think it's in 2.5. And I use the Fenty Diamond Milk Gloss. I don't play with my gloss and my lip liner. This is what sets the whole look together. I spray my face, and I do a little bit of amrezy highlighter, just a little touch here and there. You know. And I had to go in with more blush. I used the Exhibit A blush from NARS, and this really tied the whole look in together, and I'm pretty much done after that. Yup, that's it, baby. Okay guys, guys, that concludes my high maintenance every week routine to make me feel beautiful. Yes, it is, you know, quite some fun. I honestly don't feel like it's like that crazy. I've seen crazier things happen on YouTube and this wasn't like out of this world. I have to do this at least every week or every 2 weeks because I will start looking like how I looked in the beginning of the video. So we're not trying to go back to that. And I just feel my best authentic Barbie self. I love catfishing these hoes out here, letting them know, like, don't even try to come for me because I look real good, even though in reality I'm basic, okay? I'm real basic. If you guys want to see a part 2 where I shop for self-care stuff, intimates, clothes, all of that, that's like the second part of my maintenance routine, then let me know and I will do that because yeah, that is also what I do to make myself feel amazing, is shop for things for my body, my skin, clothes, intimates, all of that good stuff. So if you guys want to see that, let me know down below and I will film that for you. Hopefully it gives you some inspiration of what you guys can do for your maintenance routine so that if you're feeling a little and you're not like happy, you guys can see that I went from looking crazy to looking hella good, okay? And you can do it too. You really can. I love you guys so much. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. Give this video a big thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.
I got the blue cheek. Pull up in a Jeep. I put it on for a Jeep.